Okay guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today what we're going to do is create an office situation right there. So all the desk, I need to go and pick it up. So just got to my mum and dad's, that's where I had the desk delivered. So I've got to make sure I'm protected before I go in. Oh, hello, hello. Oh, there's nobody here. Well, this is a caricature I did of my dad. Digital caricature. So if you want a digital caricature, check out my Instagram page, Caricatures by Matt. Get you a nice caricature for your loved ones. Check that out. Okay, we've got the desk back. Excuse me, Lydia. So we're going to put all this together and it's going to go in that corner.
Do you need me to help?
No. Okay, it's time to crack this bitch open. Oh. Seems simple enough. Halfway there. Looking good. Getting there. Take longer than I thought. Okay guys, she's all done. She ain't pretty, but she'll do for now. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Now I've got to clean this shit up. You want a pizza?
Does it get extra sausage on it?
You know it.